Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was chatting online with an old friend of mine about his plans for Christmas and New Year and everything, and he mentioned that basically he was looking forward to seeing the back of this year. As he put it, it's been a long, dark, depressing year. My response to this was just to type, you can say that again. We often use this phrase, you can say that again, to say that we agree 100% with something that someone's just said, or written in this case. In other words, we're saying that what they've just said or what they've just written, we think is 100% true. It's often used to agree with negative things people have said. So maybe you're waiting at a bus stop and it's freezing and somebody next to you says, cold today, isn't it? You can say that again, mate. Maybe you go into the office and your boss is ranting and raving, and one of your colleagues looks at you and looks at the boss and whispers, God, he's in a foul mood today, isn't he? You can say that again. The other day I popped in to see one of my neighbours and she'd spent the morning putting together a huge great big flat pack IKEA bought cupboard, and she proudly showed me it and told me she'd put it all together herself. I responded by saying, that must have been a real faff, to which she replied, you can say that again. And my daughter has just been having her mocks, her end of year mock exams at school. And she told me that after one of the exams, she came out and one of her friends said to her, God, that exam was brutal. You can say that again, my daughter responded. It's one of the hardest exams I've ever sat. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use you can say that again.